Anish from BlackBull Markets. Behind me, the chart of the pound against the US dollar, currently trading at 4-year highs as the dollar continues to depreciate, and traders coming back into the pound, looking at a positive story in regards to the vaccination campaign ahead of other European counterparts, and also a back to work story, economic activity looking to pick up at present date, and also expectations for more economic activity in line with more trade deals post Brexit, and a general positive outlook for the UK economy, and that's in comparison to the US and Europe. So nice pound positive play. We're seeing this 142.40 mark play out as a key level over the last 20 years. This is a monthly time frame looking back into the year 2000 to 2001. We pretty much sat at the same level we are at for those 2 years, and then we saw two supports form around 2009, 2010, and then it turned into a resistance area as the pound headed lower, where we had that pretty much 2.5% US dollar base rate for 4 years, and that led to a lot of dollar strength and depressed other FX G8 pairs, which caused that trading zone sub 140. Now we're starting to close above 140, and it's starting to get become a pretty comfortable trading area for the pound. So long-term outlook of the pound could potentially see higher highs, where if we do get a break of 124.40, we see a new trading zone coming into fruition, which essentially leads up to the 148.52 mark. Nice psychological level at 148. Just above that, 200 pips higher, is that magic 150 mark, which could really invite more buyers finding new trading zones for the next 2 or 3 years above that level. And it's a big possibility, of course. You have this double bottom support level to support real nice moves higher, and then a clearance of this triple top at 142.40 that we've seen form since 2016 brings into light 150. So definitely a chart to be watching out for. If we skip to the lower term time frames, let's look at the 4-hour chart. We can really see that bullish momentum that's continuing to drive the pound higher. We've got that high at 142.40 dotted up on the chart here. We can see ever since we broke 140, the pound's been trading above 140. Of course, it was recently tested ever since the start of March, broke above, and now we're looking to potentially look at forming new highs over the coming weeks, months. So do stay in tune with your pound fundamentals and looking at the longer term time frames, seeing those key resistance breaks, potentially looking at entering into some longer term trades of the pound could reap some dividends. So do wish you all the best of luck with your trading, and trade safe.